What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Chubaranks. If you saw the picture already, you're excited as I am. Let's get some wraps from Aldi. First things first, I hope you enjoyed that new intro. My boy Poncho Lomeli Alfonso. Hit him up if you ever need something cool like that. Sick, right? Anyway, let's get into it. All right. So, we are going to be using some gluten-free wraps. That's exciting. I got this chicken. You know what? This was like $5 at Aldi, which is crazy. And then this was like $4. So, kind of interesting that you eating healthier would be a little more expensive, but they should be coming out good. And going to use some lettuce and putting some ranch. You can also do blue cheese as well. Real easy, so I'm waiting for the oven preheat. Throw those in, and then we'll start tossing it all together. Alright, so just pulled them out. We're going to chop them up a little bit so we have some bite-sized pieces in our wraps. Just found out there's only 6 tortillas in there, so that's also a little disappointing on that price point. And I forgot to mention that we are chopping or shredding up some pepper jack cheese to throw in the wrap. If you like this video so far, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe because I know you love watching my videos. And let's finish wrapping them up. That's it. So good thing I read the instructions on the back. They need to be heated up just like tortillas, so it's kind of... I wonder why they don't just call them burritos instead of a wrap. But we'll warm them up real quick and then we'll finish chopping them up. Alrighty, you know what time it is? Taste test time. Got it cut beautifully. Looks nice. That was my ugly one. Don't look at that one. We'll hide him. But let's see. Looks beautiful. Oops, it's already falling out. It's already filled with stuff. I like it. It's refreshing. Tastes pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it too. Easy ingredients from Aldi. Everything practically all from Aldi. Can't wait till the next wrap. Till next time, nos vemos. Oh, and I forgot. Gotta say, love, peace, and chicken grease. Till next time.